Tool Detection and Identification Code, or TDI-Code, is a proprietary trademarked passive optical marker developed by NEXUSTEC for use in trimity. TDI-Code is a square with multiple rings of colored smaller squares which encodes information. Each TDI marker has a unique ID, and unlike any other matrix or QR code, it also encodes the direction information. This directionality enables TDI to be the versatile superhero among other optical markers. Some of the successful TDI applications are as followed: tracking the tool in screw fastening situations. With this, our product learning by doing is able to work in any work environment. Tracking the hand of workers in assembly pick-and-place situations can replace older and rigid pick-by-light systems in a more dynamic environment. Assembly of trays in safety-critical environments, such as OP rooms in hospitals, the TDI marker on each tray will alert the system on what needs to place, and with the packaging assistant, Trimity will verify the contents of the tray. Moving fragile packages in the warehouse by autonomous robots, where the orientation of the package can be easily identified by an onboard camera using the direction information in TDI. Many such applications exist where TDI is already deployed and shines compared to any available contemporary solutions. Thus, TDI is our superhero in tracking and digitizing actions and steps in various situations. For more detailed information, check nexustec.de/trimity.